it's Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and if you remember, I did a video not too long ago, I think a few days ago actually, where I was showing that I was doing a trade with a fellow YouTuber, and her name is Hannah. She's from Black Raven Jewels. I'll have her link down below, and I love her videos. I love her personality, her creativity. She's so talented, and I've actually been watching her videos longer than I've been making videos, but we've both been beading for years, so it's been a lot of fun. And long story short, she contacted me and we decided to do a trade. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. She just posted one of the box that I had sent her today. So she shows her unboxing of that, and I'm just here to show the unboxing of her box that she sent me. And let me just say, Hannah, this is like the most fun box I've ever received, like, in my entire life. I absolutely adore what you did with this box. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. It, like, totally made me smile when I opened it up. When I opened up my mailbox, that is. And I'm showing the bottom because the top has the shipping label, and I didn't have anything available to really cover that up. But anyway, the whole box is in this awesome tape, and I love it. It is so cute and fun. So let me open this up and see what she sent. I already know what she sent based on the video where she showed what she made, and I loved everything. I mean, seriously, loved everything. She just hit it out of the park. So, first of all, she sent me this adorable card with these little stickers. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Those are adorable, and look how pretty. Oh, that is beautiful, Hannah. I love that tape. So I'm not going to open the card on camera, but I will take a look at it real quick. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, you didn't have to do that. She said she included some extra pieces as well. So sweet. I absolutely adored everything she made. And this paper is so cute. Oh my goodness, you loaded this, Hannah. Oh my goodness, like, I'm blown away right now. What did you do? Aw, and she knows I love red. So I told her that's like my favorite color. So thank you. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Look at these. I love these flowers. These are so neat. I don't have anything like this. Those are so cool. Like, are they ceramic? They feel like they're ceramic. Oh, thank you. And some chain. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And this paper is really cute too. She was saying she keeps paper to reuse, and I do too. So I'm going to keep that. So thank you for all those extra unexpected goodies. That was so sweet of you. And here's actually some more that I put off to the side. Some cord, which is awesome. I always love to have that. And then some copper bicones. Awesome. So fun. Alright, so here's a bag of the goodies that she made. Let's see. So I'm going to start with the smallest one right here. Oh my goodness. Like, they were so pretty in your video, but like, to have them in person, these are stunning, Hannah. Like, seriously, stunning. I love those beads right there. And these in the antique brass. I think it's really funny that we both decided to make earrings, a ring, and a necklace, and we weren't like, we didn't know what exactly we were going to make each other, and we both did like antique brass earrings, so that was kind of funny. So these are gorgeous. Like, I will be honored to wear these. Thank you so much. So let's see what else. Oh my goodness. This is so cool, Hannah. I'm like so incredibly amazed at your polymer. Like, I'd love to see more of your polymer too, because I don't think I've seen much of it. As much as like the beads and the resin. But I know you said you were kind of not doing as much, or you were starting to do more, or learning more about it. I can't remember, but it's really, really well done. Like, the rhinestones in here And I know you said this was kind of festive, but honestly, like, I would wear it anytime. This is so, so cute. I absolutely adore it. So I gotta put it on, of course. And I'm definitely gonna rock it in, like, future videos. So you'll see that, I'm sure. So cute. Lovely. And then, last but not least, this just had me so amazed when I saw the video. Like, this is so stunning. Oh my goodness, and I have it backwards. It's like beautiful from both sides. But look at this, you guys. Look how gorgeous that is. Like, Hannah, you did an amazing job, seriously. Like, this is so well done and sparkly. It's red. I love it. I love the peacock finish, and I know I've said that before. Like, it feels so good. Like, it's just nice and tightly woven. Like, the netting on the back, everything. It's just beautiful, and I'm really blown away. I'm so happy that you made this for me, and I feel so special. Thank you so much. Thank you again so much, Hannah, for contacting me, because I know you knew I've commented on your videos before and whatnot, and I always have enjoyed your videos. I've always thought you were really talented and really inspiring, and it's so fun to get to know somebody that's close to my age who has also been beading a long time. So I don't think I've mentioned that I've never had anybody in my life that I've known personally who's beaded. Like, everything I do is because I've looked at books as a kid, I've played around with beads. I just was always drawn to beads, and I was just kind of self-taught, but I didn't have anybody, and YouTube wasn't around. I didn't get to sit and watch YouTube videos and tutorials about how to make things, but it all started a long time ago, and I think she was very similar. And you know, like I said, we're close in age, and we both were just drawn to beads, and we've been beading a very long time, so I definitely felt a little more of a connection when I found her videos, when I started doing more beading, and just her interest in creativity always gets me excited to play with more beads. So hopefully this isn't the first swap we'll do, Hannah. It was so much fun. Please keep in touch. Please feel free to contact me whenever. And I just want to thank everybody for watching. Please go check out her channel at Black Raven Jewels. And again, I'll have that link down below. Give her some love. Let her know that you're there from my channel. And just because I have to do it, it's so darn gorgeous, I'm going to do one more close-up on this, and I'm just holding my finger there because I don't know if that's blinding you guys with my light, so, but it's so beautiful. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I really appreciate you. Please leave me a comment down below or a question, anything you'd like, and I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, visit my Etsy shop, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!